People are watching AI puppets play Minecraft instead of real humans. And those fake-ass avatars, they're making millions. Yeah, let that glitch settle in for a second. There's this AI-powered VTuber named Blue, 2.5 million subs, over 700 million views, and get this, he was created by a burnout YouTuber who now chills while AI does everything. I'm talking video edits, voiceovers, publishing. Dude hit 7 figures without touching a fucking camera. So, is this the end of real creators, or is this just a cheat code you're sleeping on? Creators are now using tools like Character 3 and VO3 to build entire AI-run video empires. No face, no burnout, just 24/7 uploads, maximum reach, minimal effort. And brands? Oh, they're drooling. No scandals, no sick days, just clean influencer output on demand. But here's the problem. If everyone starts doing this, does content still mean anything? Or are we just entering the age of AI slop? Yep, that's the term now, AI slop. Low-effort content flooding the algorithm, burying real voices under synthetic garbage. You scroll past a video that feels off? It probably was. Created, voiced, edited, and uploaded by bots trained to trigger engagement, not connection. But here's the scary twist. Audiences don't care. In fact, many prefer virtual influencers. They're cuter, cleaner, funnier, and they never age, complain, or cancel themselves on Twitter. We're blurring the line between human and artificial so fast, even we don't notice anymore. And if AI personalities keep leveling up, what happens when people like them more than, well, us? What happens to the creator economy when AI becomes the creator? And if you're not using these tools right now, are you already irrelevant? If you're a creator, marketer, or even just someone trying to stay ahead, you need to know this shift is real. So here's your move. Explore the tech, learn the tools, and most of all, figure out how to stay human in a space where humanity might just be the rarest thing left. Or hey, keep pretending your channel's safe. Just don't cry when Blue gets the brand deal you wanted. Smash that sub. Leave your hot take in the comments. Are AI YouTubers the future or just a phase?